Yeah, it's probably better off to be inside. I'll make my way there. Charlie! Come on, let's work our way to the pool and then we'll go inside. Come on! Hi, Mia. You're so cute, Mia. Are you just so cute? You are. You're just such a cutie. Oh my goodness. Hey, Tucker. Isabel. Charlie, will you go get in the water so I can get somebody in there?
Charlie, come on, Charlie.
What do you think, Sash?
Ted wet. Where's Ted wet? He was in here. Let's get in the water. Come on, Porter. Oh, what a good boy.
Hi, Ola.
Piggy, Piggy, did you?
You have to share.
Come on, Piglet.
Mia, you should go in the water. Go get in the water.
Come on, Rocky. Come on, guys. Come on, Mia.
Sasha, what do you think of this place, huh? Yeah, a little stressed out. It's your first day. You'll be all right.
It's just water.
Hey, Tobes.
It's a boy. You were in here earlier.
Yeah, he says I won't get in there while the video's on. Whew! Show him one out there, huh, Rox? Hi, Callie. Hi, Callie. All right, get down. Get down. Get down. Really? Hi. Yes. What do you think, Lucky? Misha Mish. Hi, Finn. Peppers! We're doing Peppers! Hi, Gracie. Finn, you like her? I think you're scaring her. Look at Buckley, sound asleep. Oh, guess not. You pretending to sleep? I saw you. Head hanging off the bed and all.